everyone. I am Dr. Fazlas Kiyamudeen from Sri Lanka, at present attached to Kiyamudeen-KDAH Ambani Hospital and Medical Research Institute, Mumbai, India, as part of my post-MD overseas training. I would like to thank IFCC for this opportunity. Located in Mumbai, India, the Kiyamudeen-KDAH Ambani Hospital and Medical Research Institute has a diverse patient population from local, regional, national and international perspectives. Dr. Barnali Das, lead consultant in biochemistry and immunology, a well-known figure in the field of clinical biochemistry and researcher, manages the biochemistry, immunology and toxicology laboratory. Central receiving area is assigned as a separate pool of staff. To avoid delays in transport, samples are received manually as well as through pneumatic tube delivery systems. To minimize the effects of pre-analytical errors, we utilize an efficient barcoding system and maintain strict transport conditions in our laboratory. The Department of Biochemistry and Immunology is equipped with 14 state-of-the-art instruments with backup facility. It covers a wide range of basic, specialized and advanced methodologies to perform tests of general biochemistry, urine and other fluid chemistry, hormone profiles, cardiac biomarkers, hemoglobin A1C, blood gases, therapeutic drug monitoring, extended multiple myeloma panel, antenatal screening, autoimmune and neuroimmune profiles using indirect immunofluorescence analysis, line blotting and monospecific ELISA for extractable nuclear antigens. As part of the quality control process, internal quality control samples are tested with each batch of specimens. Internal quality control results meet all statistical process control criteria before releasing patient results. We also participate in College of American Pathologists proficiency testing, including accuracy-based assays and calibration verifications and other external quality assurance programs. Our laboratory and the hospital is accredited by national and international bodies like NABL and CAP and NABH and JCI. Indirect immunofluorescence assay needs expertise, practice and knowledge. In our laboratory, indirect immunofluorescence assay covers ANA profiles, autoimmune liver panel, neuroimmune panels with neuroimmune markers related to autoimmune encephalitis and anti-neutrophil antibodies. This is indirect immunofluorescence assay for anti-nuclear antibodies. This is a pattern of homogeneous stained nucleoplasm with intensity of 4+. These antibodies are directed usually against double-stranded DNA and histones and found in systemic lupus erythematosus and drug-induced lupus.
And can you tell us about what AC number you will give?
AC1.
We are doing several neuroimmune markers in immunofluorescence microscopy, indirect immunofluorescence microscopy. So neuroimmune markers like anti-NMDA receptor, autoimmune encephalitis, then VGKC, LGI1, CASPA2 and many other paraneoplastic syndromes, along with the autoimmune markers like ANE, ANCA, dsDNA, AMA. So we do all those tests. So you must have seen the movie Brain on Fire, the New York Times bestseller. She wrote also, Susanna Kahlan, the cub reporter, who wrote The Brain on Fire, My Month of Madness. So she was a case of autoimmune encephalitis. And how does it look under microscope, if you see? So if you can see this, so we see this kind of pattern under the microscope where this is the case of positive anti-NMDA receptor autoimmune encephalitis in CSF. So we do autoimmune testing and neuroimmune testing in our lab.
The laboratory is incorporated in Laboratory and Hospital Information System and the test validation is done in the middleware. During the technical validation, critical values are informed to the relevant clinical team. The recent success in our laboratory is incorporation of automatic AKI alert. Following technical validation, medical authorization is done by consultant clinical biochemist. This short description may highlight the actions taken by the biochemistry laboratory to minimize the errors and traveling through optimization of the precision and accuracy of the test results end up with better clinical outcome. Thank you.
Dr. Fazila Kiyamudeen, she has completed her MD from Chemical Pathology in Sri Lanka under Postgraduate Institute of Medicine, University of Colombo in 2022. Following her local post-MD training at National Hospital Kandy, Sri Lanka, she is attached in our institution as overseas trainee. Dr. Fazilas is very hardworking. She has impressed me with her ability to tackle analytical and technical problems very efficiently. From the beginning of her tenure, she began to redefine the expectation for a good lab physician, academicians, and researcher. Thank you.